This is Group 2, CSIS. We are going to deal with records management. It is part of our unit in our core course that we are doing. And in our introduction, we have said, before anyone embarks on any journey, you need to know where you are going and how you are going to get there. If you are driving yourself or you are in a vehicle, one thing probably you don't need to know, it is how our vehicle works, but you need to know how to drive the vehicle. In the same way, in the record management journey, it is similar to a vehicle. If our organization is going to reach the desired destination of effective records care, everyone involved with making and keeping records need to know what records and evidence are, why it is important to manage our records well, and how each person can support the goal of management of records to support effective efficiency, accountability, and transparency of records. Definition of terms that we came across, that is, the first term is a record, and a record is an information that has been captured on some fixed medium which was created and kept to support a government or an organization or an individual to perform activities, to remember events or information and provide proof of decisions or actions to be taken. Definition number 2, it is records management. It is the process of ensuring that the evidence created, collected, and used by an organization is managed, stored, and used in the effective way that it remains authentic, safe, and used for the future use. Forms of records. Records appear in two forms. One, they appear in traditional form and in electronic form. Examples of traditional forms of records, we are having paper form, bound reports, a black and white photograph, or a handwritten or hand-drawn map. Example of electronic forms of records, we are having computer file, data tapes, digital photographs, social media posts, text messages, emails, among the many that you can name. Why do we need to have the records management? And this is why we are saying the benefits of records management. Number one benefit of proper records management is records management improves public accountability. Number 2, it enhances organizational efficiency. Number 3, it increases public access and transparency. And finally, it supports effective work practices. In conclusion, we are saying a good record management program recognizes the value of records and records management, manages records strategically, provides sufficient resources for records management, recognizes the link between records and technology, manages records effectively and accountability, and provides appropriate access to records management, and stores records appropriately and disposes of them regularly. That is what we had for you, and that is the end of our presentation.